this video, I will be showing you set up Shopify Payments full and easy guide. So for anyone who has not yet created an account in Shopify, all you have to do is to simply go to shopify.com. Now you can just simply type your email address here if you have created one. If not, then you have to tap this part here to create a new account. So if you have one, then you just have to tap your account, which is your email. Here, if you have two-step authentication, then you can click confirm, or you can just easily tap remind me next time. Okay, so after you tap this one, then you can now proceed. As you can see, it's logging in. So if you want to create another store, you just have to tap that one if all of your stores were inactive. So let's just get started. Which of this best describe you? I'm just starting. And then where would you like to sell online? What do you plan to sell first? Services. And this is your store name, but it's optional. But it's okay if you also put your store name. Okay, now where will your business be located? Your country, and then choose an account. Now, again, remind me next time. Choose your account again, and you will be directed to your Shopify. Okay, so our tutorial is all about setting up payments. But before that, let me tell you that in Shopify, there are some features that you can't unlock or you can't use. Avail and unlock features, then you can simply choose either of the plans here, basic, Shopify, advanced. And you can see here the things that you can unveil once you purchase any of the plans here. Okay, so now let's go to settings. And then as you can see here, we have options, but just tap this payments. Okay, so we were done with the plan, right? So these are the plans. So you just have to choose one. Now, after that, you have to go to payments to set up your payment account or methods. So when you click payments, you have your options, payment providers. Okay, so we have choose a provider, add payment methods, manual payment methods with its description so that you know exactly what payment method you should choose. Okay, so the first one here, third-party payment providers. The advantage of choosing this is that you can easily know whether the payment providers here or methods here are available in your country or not. As you can see below here, it says unavailable in your country, unavailable in your country, and so on. So either if you choose the payment methods here and it's not available in your country, it's still, it's a waste of time. So for add payment methods, you can easily search here your provider, your payment methods, payment providers. But then again, you are not sure if this are available in your country or not. Unlike the first one, okay, we can easily know if those payment methods or providers are available or not in our country. The third is we have here manual payment methods. Under this, we have set up cash on delivery, bank deposit, and so on. So, of course, we have to choose the first one. And then here, there are tons of choices, but of course, we have to choose the one which is available in your country, and that is to check out. And then here, it will take you directly to this page. You need to have merchant code and secret word. But if you don't have an account yet, so you need to tap this create a to check at account in order for you to get started. Okay, so once you click this one, it will take you directly to their site. So we have two options here. We have log in or sign up for free. So of course, we have to click this sign up for free. And then they need the following information. You have to provide this. So we have first name, we have last name, business email, password. And if you don't want to use your email address, you can simply go to temporary email. And as you can see, all you have to do is to copy this email address, go back to your to checkout account. Okay, so paste your email address here, copy and paste also your website, which is this one, copy link address, go back to checkout, and then paste the web here, and then also your country. Then I'm not a robot, you just have to do this one in order for you or for them to do it. You're 100% human. Okay, and then once you're verified with this, then you can simply log in, or you're about to create a new account in your to checkout. So here you have to choose this, what type of products you want to sell with to checkout. Click this one, and then after that, create an account and wait as it is processing. So now you can log into your account, sign in your username and your password, and then click sign in. So this is what to check out looks like. So we have here, we need to activate our account, my account. So tap this start activation. So of course you have to enter the information about your business, company name, business type, company registration date, country, city, and address. We have financial details here. You have to provide also the information here, company registration ID, annual online, so on. We have here for stakeholders, you have to add stakeholders or holder. For about your products, you just have to click any of the project category here and then answer this part. After that, you can go to account settings, payment or payout method. You just have to answer everything here. Okay, never miss a blank, or you need to answer everything here. Okay, so these are all very important. Now to proceed, you can review and recheck everything before you submit. So of course, you have to check it one by one, the company name, account settings, the documents. You have to make sure that the documents that you have uploaded are of course the correct one, the right one, account settings, the name and everything here. It's very important to recheck the information because it's really hard to transact other things. Once you have this one, then it would be a little bit hard for you to change everything. So make sure that all the informations here, or all the information are correct. Okay, so once you have saved or submitted all the requirements there, then we can go to integration, in which you can see all the keys. So copy the merchant code, paste it here. Now look for the secret word, copy the secret word. Okay, go down and copy this one. Actually, you need to generate this, or you can generate this to create or copy new one, but it's okay. Okay, and then paste this one here. So that is the merchant code and the secret word. Okay, so we also need to check or allow this, what we call redirect URL section. For redirect URL section, you just have to leave the blank. Okay, so actually it's up to you. You can check this one, or you can enable INS, and that's it. So once you're done with this, or once you generate new secret word, then you can paste it here, and that's it. Okay, so once you're done with this, then you can simply save all the information. And of course, you can now go back to your Shopify, and you can test your to checkout. Okay, so as you can see here, it's all completed. So enable test mode to checkout. Okay, and then you just have to wait, activate to checkout, and you can see here above that you can now use your to checkout. So test mode is on. All transactions are simulated, and you can now use your to checkout. You can now add to cart. You can now start paying using this payment method. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.